is an essential tool and is sure to become one of your favorite gadgets. We have been impressed to see the pace of innovation in headlamp technology as we watched them evolve over the last decade, which is now making low-cost lights great choices for general-purpose use. Between brightness, battery life, features, and comfort, headlamps are the computer processors of outdoor gear, more powerful and affordable than ever before, and picking the right one is critical. But with all the technical data to sift through, and seemingly endless choices on the market, it can be a real challenge to figure out what to buy. From minimalist lights to powerful beams, these are some of the best headlamps available on the market today.
This is the BioLite Headlamp 200. 200 lumens, multi-angle, USB rechargeable, and only 50 grams, this ultra-thin light delivers ultimate comfort and fit. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you'll quickly forget you're wearing it. The transparent polycarbonate front includes red and white LEDs, enabling you to access 4 different lighting modes, including a dimmable red night vision. Want to prevent those lumens from turning on in your pack? Activate lock mode at the touch of a button. Featuring 3D slim fit construction, the integrated front sits flush for no bounce, while the moisture-wicking band keeps you cool and dry. With runtimes of up to 40 hours on a single charge, you can leave your disposable alkalines behind and enjoy a low-profile, ultra-lightweight headlamp that's ready for the campsite and anywhere a little light goes a long way. Available in 4 colors, upgrade your headlamp today and bring performance, fit, and rechargeability to your kit.
The HM65R is an extremely powerful headlamp and features an independently controlled spotlight and floodlight. The spotlight is a focused beam that can throw a maximum 1000 lumens 535 feet. The floodlight is a wider diffused beam, better for up-close tasks. The spotlight has 4 brightness levels, and the floodlight 3. Turn them both on for an all-encompassing lighted field of view at a maximum 1400 lumens. Easily recharge the included battery more quickly with its built-in USB-C charging port. And always know the status of the battery with the battery level indicator. Made from a magnesium alloy, the HM65R weighs less than one made from aluminum, and is built tough, impact resistant to 2 meters, dustproof, and waterproof underwater to 2 meters. The perforated headband reduces weight and makes for a more comfortable fit. The 60-degree tilt allows you to put light where you need it, for use on the job site or your next outdoor adventure. The HM65R headlamp is the perfect all-purpose tool for your hands-free lighting needs.
The Petzl Actic Core headlamp is built for mountaineering, running, cycling, hiking, and backpacking. Powerful and lightweight, the Actic Core is easily rechargeable with its micro USB cable. The hybrid concept of the Actic Core allows you to choose the power source that best fits your activity. Delivered with the Petzl Core rechargeable battery, the Actic Core can also be powered by 3 standard AAA batteries without the need for an adapter. The Core rechargeable battery will power your headlamp time and time again, reducing the waste of up to 900 batteries from entering the landfills. This multi-beam headlamp offers various lighting options. The diffused wide beam lights up your surroundings, while the powerful focused beam lights up distant objects ahead of you. The red beam is used to preserve night vision, and the red strobe acts as a safety signal. The Actic Core features a reflective headband that increases nighttime visibility and includes a 100 decibel safety whistle for emergency situations. Used with the Petzl Noctilight, your Actic Core can act as a lantern, diffusing the light in multiple directions for lighting up a tent, car, or picnic table in the dark.
The 250 lumen American-made Axis headlamp from Princeton Tech offers 4 fully dimmable, easy-to-control light modes. No matter what you're heading out to do, get dialed into the light you need with the Axis. Princeton Tech started with their award-winning Sync headlamp. Keeping the stable single-arm bracket design and easy-to-use dial interface, The hybrid axis expands on those features to give you more control, more power, and more fuel options. A large, easy-to-find push button on the side of the axis moves you through 4 base modes. Red, that keeps you from blinding your buddies, doesn't attract bugs, and retains night vision. Flood for up-close tasks. Spot for long distance, and a dual beam for the best of both worlds. A single tap gives you red. A double tap to spot, and a press and hold brings you to flood. The dial allows you to dim and brighten each mode as you fine-tune the axis until you have the precise level of light you need. Move from flood to a dual beam flood and spot, and back to flood seamlessly with the twist of a dial. Both the button and dial are located on the side of the axis, providing a platform ready for ambidextrous use. The single arm bracket design makes for easy rotation and a full range of motion, and stability when you decide on just the right angle. The axis comes in both alkaline and rechargeable versions. The alkaline axis comes with 3 AAA batteries that are easy to change out by popping open the battery door on the side. The rechargeable axis has a built-in lithium-ion battery with a micro USB port, also accessible through the battery compartment on the side of the light. A red charging indication light will blink while your axis charges. Every axis headlamp comes with a 5-year warranty.
This is the Spot 325 headlamp. With an amazing full feature set, high lumen output, and intuitive 2-button architecture, the Spot is a premium headlamp that's ready for any big adventure. You'll notice that the Spot has a 3-lens configuration, each providing unique options to fulfill a wide variety of lighting needs. The distance beam was optimized for active situations, while the proximity beam is perfect for around camp and while reading. Our third beam includes a red LED for times when preserving your night vision is necessary. The Spot headlamp utilizes brightness memory to come on in your previously selected mode and brightness setting. To turn on, press the large main button on the top of the headlamp once. Our 6-setting 3 LED battery meter located on the side of the front housing indicates the level of battery life remaining. You can brighten and dim the light within any mode by holding down the main button. Let go when your desired level of brightness is reached. If you want maximum brightness at any point, just tap the right side of your headlamp to engage power tap. To easily switch between your multiple lens options, we've added a secondary mode selector button. In order to use the strobe mode at any point, double-click the main button, and whatever mode you are in will strobe. Powered by 3 AAA cells, the Spot can run off of the included alkaline batteries, or can utilize nickel metal hydride or lithium batteries as well. Our digital lockout feature safeguards against accidental use when stored in a pack or pocket. To lock your headlamp while it's off, hold down both buttons for 3 seconds. To unlock, hold down again for 3 seconds. With a submersible waterproof rating of IPX8, each headlamp is individually tested to ensure operation at 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. If submerged, open the battery compartment and allow it to completely dry out before your next use. With woven elastic headbands in both perforated and solid designs, you'll be sure to find a color and headband combination to fit your individual needs.
Today, I'd like to show you our MH11 head torch that's controllable via the LEDlenser Connect app. The MH11 gives you unlimited opportunities. It's not only powerful, but it's our first Bluetooth-enabled light. You can operate the light using the front switch, or you can operate and personalize it with your smartphone using our LEDlenser Connect app. What's really helpful is that the MH11 is not only a head torch, it can also be used handheld. The MH11 is very bright. In power mode, it has 750 lumens with a beam distance of 300 meters and 4 hours runtime. Another feature is the boost mode, providing 1000 lumens for 10 seconds just when you need it. Blink light is also available. As well as the white light modes, it has red, green and blue light. Within the app, you can activate strobe and the international SOS code in case of an emergency. The OptiSense technology adapts the light output automatically to the light conditions and avoids annoying glare effects. What's extraordinary about the MH11 is the app can help you make it your personal companion. With the direct control in the app, you can operate your light live. The timer gives you the opportunity to use your light as an alarm clock. With intervals, you can use your light during training, and probably the best feature, program your light exactly as you wish in the switch profiles. To learn more about the LED Lenser Connect app, please watch our separate video about the app itself. Besides the operation and personalization through the app, the light comes with many other highlights. The MH11 is rechargeable. It's run with an 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable battery with a capacity of 3,200 milliamps. The tricolour battery status indicator and the low battery warning prevent you from standing in the dark and tell you when to recharge your light. It can be charged internally via the straightforward magnetic charge system. When fully charged, the charge indicator changes from red to green. The lamp head can be steplessly angled 120 degrees both up and down. In addition, you can easily adjust the light beam by using the focus ring with our patented advanced focus system, which smoothly changes from a flood to spot beam. The MH11 is equipped with a useful transportation lock to avoid the head torch getting accidentally switched on. To activate and deactivate the lock, simply press and hold the front switch for 5 seconds.